Hi everyone, Alex here with On Point Leatherworks, and I wanted to take the time here to do a channel update for all of the people who have clicked subscribe on my channel. I really do appreciate that. I can tell you that this channel update is in direct response to the amount of subscribers that I've gained out of the 3 or 4 videos that I've posted a year ago. When I started the channel, I really didn't know what I wanted to do with it. I wasn't sure if I was going to put a lot of time into it or not. It was fun to make the videos. However, what I learned is I don't really like filming on my cell phone because when I'm working in my shop, it is a long process for me. I don't do anything fast. I take my time. This is very much a hobby for me. I have a full-time job outside of my leather room. And so when I'm working inside my shop and I'm using my phone, I can't be on my phone. And that's another thing that I like to do when I'm just hanging out at my house and relaxing is answer text messages and phone calls and Snapchats and check the news or whatever social media I might want to jump on. And when I'm trying to do a YouTube video, my phone is dedicated as the recording device, so I can't really do that. And so it was annoying to me. It was also hard to line up the shots. I didn't want to use the front-facing camera on the phone because I was told that it wasn't as good of quality. I'm not that techie of a guy, so I can only go off what I was told. I was told the rear-facing cameras were the better cameras to shoot videos with. So I had to set up a shot, go into the shot, then go back and look, make sure the shot was capturing what I wanted to, and then if I moved slightly, I had to go back and look. And so based on those annoyances that I was having with shooting videos on my phone, I ended up not enjoying making YouTube videos. And so I didn't do it. And I would make a project. Several times I started a project and I thought, oh, this would be a great video to throw up on YouTube. And halfway through, I quit recording and just finished the project out because it was taking so long to set up the YouTube shots. And I just wanted to get the project done. I wasn't having as much fun while shooting the video. And at the end of the day, that's what I wanted to do while I'm in my shop, is have fun. Over the course of the year, I've done a lot of different things. I went to Montana for about 5 weeks and took a saddle making school in Belgrade, Montana at the Montana Horseman Saddle Building Academy. It was great. I plan on doing a full in-depth review on that experience that I had. Show you guys the saddle that I built there. Saddle making probably isn't going to be something that I dive into at least full time. I might make more saddles in my lifetime, but to be honest, I'm not really a horse guy, and having no experience with horses at all, saddle making was challenging for me in that respect, mainly because I don't know how to talk to my customer. I don't know how to talk horses with people, and I felt disingenuous in that realm, although I did really enjoy the saddle building experience. I had a great time at that school, so preview for the review. What I plan on doing going forward is I have decided I would like to give YouTube a better shot. I would like to put more effort into the YouTube channel. I would like the channel to be a source of entertainment for people who like watching people work with their hands and create products. I'd also like it to be a source of information for new leather workers or people who've been doing this for a while. I've been working on leatherwork personally since 2010, so 11 years now as of when I'm making this video. I've learned a lot in that time, and I don't know even close to as much as there is to know. It's a very vast hobby. There's a lot to learn in it, and you can be learning one aspect of this hobby for years and years, and then all of a sudden go into a different area of expertise and almost be starting from ground zero. And that's actually what I am going to start this channel with, and possibly that'll be the channel going forward. But I plan on making shoes. I bought shoe lasts. I've actually bought 2 different sets because I don't know what I'm doing. And as a result of that, I've bought some wrong stuff. I've bought a lot of things I probably don't need, and I probably haven't bought nearly everything that I do need to make shoes with. Shoemaking has always intrigued me. I've wanted to learn how to build shoes now for several years. In fact, my first ever project was a pair of shoes. My first project ever was a pair of moccasins. In fact, I'm going to grab them. They're just sitting right over here. So this was the first thing that I ever made. Was this pair of moccasins. I did it when I was in the military, when I was in the Air Force. It was just something that I wanted to learn how to do, so I did it. They're very crude. The sewing on them is a weird stitch. I don't even know what you'd call it. See if it'll focus on that. I bought some suede leather from Tandy. Tools that weren't the right tools to build shoes with, or really to do any of the work that I did with these shoes. I just kind of made it work. And I took an Air Force blanket from where I was at, and I cut the shape of my foot and made padding with a wool blanket. So this is padded with a wool blanket. Yeah, that was my first project, was a pair of moccasins, and I had fun. It hooked me. I've been doing it for 11 years since, and I want to get into it and build shoes that are higher quality than the first ones I did. I think I can do it. I will be learning throughout the videos. The first video that I do making shoes will be the first pair of shoes, other than those ones, that I will have made. So you guys will see me make a lot of mistakes, I'm sure. And I think that'll be informative. I think that watching a video where someone is learning and watching them make mistakes that a beginner will make is a great way to learn how not to make those mistakes. Learn from my mistakes before you have to make them. Kind of jumping around here, I was talking about my phone, not really liking to do YouTube on my phone. I have invested into the channel. I bought a Canon M6 Mark II camera. I did quite a bit of research, and it seemed like a pretty good camera to start out with, at least. It's not top of the line, but it is a nice camera from what I understand, and that'll be my starting dedicated YouTube camera. That's what this video is being shot on right now. I have a, I don't know what to call it, a wireless microphone. Hopefully the audio sounds good on these. Put money into a decent tripod. That was another thing. The tripod ring light that I bought for about $30 off Amazon was garbage. It was very flimsy. It's hard to get it to not shake and to feel like it wasn't gonna fall to the ground after I got it set up. So going forward, as I make these videos, one, I'm going to be learning this next project as I'm going to be learning it with you guys. So if you know about shoemaking or anything like that, and you see me doing something in the videos that you think is a mistake, or that you think I could be doing better, please let me know in the comments. That'll be a great way for me to develop my skills, and also it'll be a source of information for people watching these videos, learning how to make shoes on their own. They can look down in the comments and get more information than what they're just getting in the videos. I know that people that watch these know a lot on their own, and so please share that. Help me, help other people, and that would be a real benefit of this channel, I think, if people could take something from it and apply it to their own workshops. Also, on that same note, with the YouTube stuff, with camera things, with any of the different equipment, if you guys have suggestions or anything like that, if you see me working with, I don't know how much equipment you guys will see as far as the camera making equipment. It's going to be a little bit behind the scenes, but if you guys have suggestions for me for a beginning videographer, please let me know. That would be much appreciated. I am only going off of the reviews that I have found on YouTube. So I'm sure that there's a lot out there that I'm missing. This is not a realm that I've put a lot of effort into in the past, so I'm very fresh in learning about camera equipment. Oh, what else? I have some pieces of machinery coming. I've got a post sewing machine coming from the Leather Machine Company, the same company that built this Class 28 right behind me. And I also have a bell skiver from the same company. It's coming in one shipment, so that's gonna speed up production quite a bit. It'll actually let me, I think, make these videos faster. That's the hope, is that everything in the workshop just goes faster and smoother. Skiving is something that takes a long time, even if you're decent at it. And if you're not decent at it, it takes a long time with a lot of mistakes involved also. I've ruined a couple projects skiving with my hands. So I'm really excited for the bell skiver. The sewing machine, from what I understand, is a great sewing machine for making boot and shoe uppers. So I'm very excited about those. I have some other pieces of equipment that I've added to my workshop. If you guys want to see video specific on those pieces of equipment, please let me know. Excuse me. And if you guys want to see anything else on the channel, please let me know. Give me some ideas. Another reason that I haven't really done much is I don't want to push information out there into a flooded atmosphere. I don't know that we need another video on how to make a belt or a wallet when there's so many videos out there on the same thing and they all basically say the same thing. So if you guys want to see those videos, I'm happy to make them. It would be an easy way to push content out there, but I would like suggestions from the people who have actually subscribed to this channel. Again, I really appreciate that. That is honestly probably the biggest reason that I'm in front of the camera again right now, is because I didn't really think that I would even get 100 subscribers, and now I'm above that. I think I have 100 and some change. I'd like to get more. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe. It really does encourage me to make more content and invest more of my time and money into the channel. And please comment and let me know what you'd like to see, because aside from the things that I've already talked about in this update video, I really don't know where this channel is going to go. So if you guys who have decided you want to follow me, if you guys have suggestions, I will absolutely listen to them. I'm happy to do that. Until then, I hope to see you soon.